So I just put this door in, exterior door. I did these stairs. This was a set of stairs I did here recently. This is how I tied them in on the door, to the door. So let me show y'all these real quick. Painted. They came out real nice. I do feel like they're real nice. So I like the blue on them. Show y'all. That's how that came out. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, and if you subscribe to the channel, you'll see more videos in the future, more work that I've done, and I do, or we do. It depends on if I got somebody else yet. I'm working on getting more people, so the more subscribers I get, the more I can do more things for everybody. Eventually, I'd like to be able to do stuff, give away prizes and stuff like that. So y'all give me a like. Make sure you give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate y'all. Thank you.